evaluating our software. And I don't know about you, but 3 minutes doesn't seem like enough time to actually evaluate our software. And with all the different features, and we got, you guys don't even see, we've got about 30 minutes in different, we've got a bunch of video tutorials and 30 minutes worth of video in total. We have a whole, we have a lot of stuff in there. I have a hard time imagining that anybody could even come close to evaluating it in 3 minutes. And so one of the things I think I generally learned from the Android Developer Challenge is that the kinds of applications that do well have this kind of magical mix of simplicity and kind of interestingness. I don't know what the best way to do it is, but kind of like in our case where we've got like a large amount of time and developed a very rich product with a lot of sophisticated features. This we did get the top of the top 20 or so of the Developer Challenge, but it's just, I don't think it's quite. It's not lightweight enough to float all the way up to the very, very top there. And so you look at the ones that did get up to the top, both in this one, in the second challenge and the first challenge, and they're just kind of like, some of them didn't really require very much time at all. In fact, I can name a couple off the top of my head that I've heard like only took like about a month to develop in total. There's a ShopSat, or not ShopSat, there's like one of those little ones where you scan a barcode or something like that, and it'll show you the shopping, or the prices or something like this. There's like another one in this current one. But yeah, so that's basically what I kind of walked away from. That's what we look for. Yeah, so getting information from users is one of those. So we start out. We feel it's very, very important to get information from our users and to have a discussion with them about what they're experiencing. And we're small. We really can't afford to neglect anybody. And I don't think we don't want to. But I mean, we're so small that we would be really foolish not to. We have. Three different methods that people can contact or can interact with us. We have a direct email that someone can just send us a message just directly. We have a kind of a suggestions page where someone can enter an idea and then other people can kind of vote it up and down. And then we also have a discussion forum, like an online discussion forum that fits within our Android browser. So we've got. Oh yeah. So we've got Facebook account. So if you're a Facebook person, you can befriend us. We also have a Twitter account, and we'll engage, talk with you. We watch for anybody mentioning our hash to FlingTap done or FlingTap or that sort of thing. Yeah, we're watching really closely for people kind of talking about us or that sort of thing. And if anybody reports any bugs in our discussion forum, I'm usually on it in like less than an hour or something like this. So, we don't have a perfect solution yet, but we're basically just kind of grabbing kind of the obvious, easy methods for interacting with our users. That.
Follow-up question on that. Do you have like a different or special channel for paid customers to interact with?
Yeah, not now. I'm not even sure that some of the people that send us comments. I'm not even sure if some of them are even. Occasionally, I'm not even sure if someone's a user or not. Remember that assassin comment that? No, I mean, no, we don't have any distinct tracks for this. Yeah. That's just a level of sophistication we're not quite at.
Any thought on testing? Like, how did you test your software? What's your advice? Are people developing on Android to test their stuff out?
So, yeah, we had a number of initial testers who we would distribute our software out to, and they would actually work on it. We also internally with some automated ways that we use the tools built into the Android SDK that we can automate the testing for them. We also kind of watch for errors. We have a way of capturing the errors that happen inside the application and bring them back to our servers, and then we can watch them for those as well. So that's kind of that's a really cool way, because when you start getting a lot of customers, you start seeing the errors, and you can fix it before anybody even complains, which is really, really cool. You don't have to put up with, you don't have to work with the angry users if you can find the fix and fix it and push it back out there fast enough.
Did you use some kind of version control or the unit test for your project?
Yeah. So yeah, of course. I mean, I'm from a computer science background, so this is my standard way that I approach things. And yeah, so we've got all the tools that you would normally have with a development project. So
Which kind of version control?
well, so I use Subversion.
Subversion.
Subversion. Yeah. Good.
好，那还有没有人要问问题？好，如果现在没有问问题的话，那等一下大家可以私底下就互相交流。那我们就再一次谢谢好，那一样再广告一下，就是如果大家身旁有这个卧虎藏龙啊，有人在玩各种跟 Google 相关的，不管是 Aegis API 啦，或是 Android App Engine 或其他 Chrome 等等大家如果你身边有朋友有在玩这些技术，然后有想要跟大家分享的话，欢迎投稿。OK， 好，那平常也欢迎大家，就是有空的话，就是多来这个聚会，跟大家交朋友，学东西40%，然后60%是交朋友，社群的意义就在这边。好，那今天非常谢谢大家参与，那剩下时间就大家这个互相交流。